fake it? Let me explain it to you like this. I wanted you. I studied you. I mirrored what you needed. I gave you what no one else did. And then I took it all away. That wasn't an accident. That was strategy. You thought it was love? It was leverage. Affection is a tool. Vulnerability is a weapon. And intimacy, that's just the stage. I don't build relationships. I build illusions. You were never chosen. You were selected. For your empathy, your hope, your capacity to forgive me over and over and over again. Was it real? For you, maybe. But for me, it was always a transaction. You gave me comfort, control, a place to hide my broken self inside your care. And I gave you just enough of what you craved to keep you from noticing the lie. Truth is, I can mimic connection, but I can't sustain it. I can say the right words, but I don't feel the weight behind them. I fake relationships like I fake remorse. Believable, emotional, empty. And when I'm done getting what I need, I don't end it. I just change masks. I ghost, cheat, lie, or blame you for the fallout I designed. Because if I can make you think it was your fault, I win. So no, I didn't fake it at first. I started faking it when you stopped feeding me. That's when the act began. And you were perfect until you stopped believing me.